Hello and welcome back to the First Step Act channel. This video we're going to talk about non-U.S. citizens deportation and how that may impact the First Step Act. So Jose?
Yes, Bruce, we have gotten a lot of questions about non-U.S. citizens that are subject to deportation if they are eligible for the First Step Act. Well, one of the things is they are eligible for good conduct time statutorily. The statute provides that they would get 54 days of good conduct time by law. The other benefits, they're excluded because it's presumed that they're not going to be releasing to any of the communities in the United States. But one of the things that we encourage is, and the Bureau does a very good job in doing this in coordination with ICE, Immigration and Customs Enforcement, they try to designate inmates who are eligible for that program for the early determination of deportation to the contract sites when they're eligible. So 90 months or less, they try to designate to contract sites so they could be expedited. Now, one of the things that we encourage is to expedite that process. The non-U.S. citizens should expedite the ICE review process in order to determine if they're going to be deported or not. If they're going to be deported, that's it. You don't qualify for any of the benefits of the FSA or the First Step Act. But if you're not going to be excluded from the United States or deported from the United States, that means that you will qualify for the program and the benefits of the First Step Act. So that is the important thing to be considered for early review of your citizenship status. And then if you're not going to be deported, then you could be considered for release reentry centers, for home confinement, depending on your risk assessment by the institution. So.
And this is a real thing. We've had some cases where, the person thought they were going to be deported. They hadn't participated in the hearing process, or some have and some haven't, but they end up, once it was determined that they were not going to be deported and they had a release date, they are eligible for First Step Act. So it doesn't apply to everybody that's a non-resident, a non-citizen, but it can happen to a select few of those cases.
Now, we're going to say it in Spanish also for the Spanish speakers, Bruce. So, hemos recibido muchas preguntas sobre si la ley del primer paso aplica a los ciudadanos no residentes o a los extranjeros que están en las cárceles. Nosotros entendemos que el proceso le aplica estatutariamente, la ley le aplica dándole 54 días a cada individuo encarcelado, y eso es por ley. El crédito de buena conducta le aplica los 54 días. Los otros beneficios no aplican porque se presumen que los individuos que no son ciudadanos de los Estados Unidos van a ser deportados. El negociado federal de prisiones hace un buen trabajo tratando de ubicar a las personas confinadas en instituciones para que sean revisados por inmigración, por el Departamento de Inmigración, para determinar si van a ser deportados. A la primera etapa de su sentencia se trata, si tienen 90 días o menos, 90 meses o menos, lo tratan de designar a un centro donde pueda ser revisado por inmigración. Nosotros tratamos de reforzar ese concepto y que sean revisados primero por inmigración para determinar si van a ser deportados. Si van a ser deportados, pues van a ser excluidos de los Estados Unidos y no le aplican los beneficios de la ley del primer paso. Pero si no van a ser deportados, inmigración determina que van a permanecer en los Estados Unidos, pues ahí sí le aplica los beneficios de la ley y pueden ser considerados para ser ubicados o designados a una media casa, a un lugar intermedio en la comunidad, o para detención domiciliaria, de confinamiento en el hogar, o el grillete electrónico, o supervisión electrónica por medio del grillete. Si no van a ser deportados y inmigración determina y emite la orden de que no van a ser deportados, entonces sí los beneficios aplican y podríamos ayudarle en ese sentido. Así es que contáctenos por el website y vea en el futuro lo que vamos a seguir hablando y explicándole en español sobre la ley del primer paso. Gracias, Bruce.
All right, órale. So there it is. So again, if you have any questions about the First Step Act and how it applies, please visit our website at www.federalprisonauthority.com and email us at federalprisonauthority@gmail.com. We'll see you next time, and thanks for checking out our videos. See you later.